the Super Bowl.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm getting everything prepped to install the Stage 2 kit. If you remember, just this past summer, I installed the Stage 1 Overkill Supercharger. If you want to check out that video of me installing it, the step-by-step how to do it, go ahead and click that like button, and definitely click that subscribe button so you can get access to my library of videos working on my Cadillac CTS. But back to the Stage 2 kit here. So now that the Stage 1 kit is on, I've driven that for a while, got all comfortable, did any other tweaks I needed to, so I know my baseline as far as the Stage 1 go. So now I want to move forward and install the Stage 2 kit. And this is everything I have to install it. Now, if you want to get the Stage 1 or the Stage 1 kit or the Stage 1 with the Stage 2 kit, you can reach out to Tracy Lewis. I'll provide a link to his website out there. They're great folks over there. You deal directly with them. They're awesome to work with. If you have any issues, which most likely you won't, but they're right there to help you out immediately with it right away. They're there to guide you from the beginning to the end, so reach out to them. Now, just to make it clear on this right here, I got this Stage 2 kit used, so some of the things may be different than what you may receive from Tracy Lewis. Now, the purpose of this Stage 2 kit is to increase fuel flow into your engine, therefore providing extra boost. So you'll get about a 10 to 11 additional PSI of boost with this kit right here. And in order to achieve that, these are the components you need for that. The first thing is going to be a smaller pulley for your supercharger. And since you have a smaller pulley, you're also going to need a different size belt for the supercharger. You're also going to get 6 new fuel injectors, high flow fuel injectors, to help deliver more fuel to your engine. You're also going to get the high pressure fuel pump that goes on the top of the engine near the rear of the engine close to the firewall. You're also going to get the upgraded fuel pump. In order to change out your fuel pump is located under your rear seat. You have 2 options. Drop down the fuel tank from underneath the car to change it out, or you can go the easier route, which is to cut into your floor pan. If you're cutting into the floor pan, when it's all said and done, you're going to want to cover that hole you cut in there up. So in order to do that, you'll want a fuel cover, a fuel pump cover. And so this is one that I ordered off of from Radium Engineering. And also you're going to need to remove the retaining ring in order to get that pump out. So I already picked up a replacement one, straight from GM. Maybe you can see the part number on there. And also, because you're going to be pulling it out too, it's always good to replace out the O-ring that goes on there too, to make sure there's no fumes coming into the cabin. And there's the part number for that. Now, in order to get this ring off, I went in and ordered this ring removal kit right here to make removing this ring a lot easier. And while I'm in there, I'm going to go ahead and change out the fluid in my supercharger, and just go ahead and change the fluids. And one last thing too, because you're going to be dealing with the fuel injectors, I already have a fuel line disconnect kit as well. I want to make sure I have everything that I needed. I'm getting it all prepared and ready. But stay tuned. Again, hit that subscribe button so you can follow along and watch the installation with this. And again, I'm going to put the link into the description for Tracy Lewis if you're interested in getting the Stage 1 Supercharger kit, the Stage 2, or if you just want to inquire with them about possibly getting, or if you just want to reach out to them with any questions about the kit and how to install it. I'm going to tell you how I'm doing it, but always follow their instructions. of how to install their kit, all right? So again, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned. Thanks for joining.
Man, this shit done it big as the what? Big as the what? Big as the Super Bowl.